Hey, this morning we got up and we wanted to go somewhere. Found out it was going to be below freezing up north. I don't do good with real cold. So we're going to do something different, and we headed down south to Savannah.
Georgia.
And we're going to be doing some hiking and getting around Savannah.
Our fellow real world lovers, we'd like for you to come along with us and see what kind of trouble we can get into. It's a little chilly here too, but we'll make the best of it because we'll be
Loving
the real world.
David and Caroline headed out, God on our side, so watch out. Love and laughter on the way. Join our family and friends and stay. We may get lost on this quest, but it will be loving the real world at its best. Oh, yeah.
Okay, we're here at the Chippewa Square Park. This is where Forrest Gump was on the bench and he made his famous saying,
Life is like a box of chocolates. So that's why we need to love the real world.
because you never know what you're gonna get.
And also the actual bench is in the Savannah Museum. It's no longer here in the square.
So let's walk around and see what we can see. At the center of the square is General Oglethorpe. Oglethorpe himself led the first group of 114 colonists and landed at the site we know today as Savannah in February 1st, 1733.
This is First Baptist. So here's the church. But where is the steeple? Remember that old hand thing you used to do? Here's the church, here's the steeple. Open it up, and here's the people, but there's no steeple.
The First Baptist Church in Savannah is the oldest standing house of worship. It was designed by Elias Carter and completed in 1833. In 1833, notice how they spelt church. C-H-V-R-C-H. Interesting. Now let's walk over to our next park.
We're in Lafayette Square in Savannah, and behind us is the Cathedral Basilica of St. John the Baptist. On April the 22nd, 2020, Pope Francis bestowed on the Cathedral of St. John the Baptist the title of Minor Basilica, making it the first basilica in the Diocese of Savannah. Nationwide, there are 87 churches, including 18 cathedrals, that carry this name. The term basilica actually comes from a Latin word meaning church, and it can indicate either the architectural style of a church or its status according to the rules and principles of the Catholic Church. The coat of arms of the Holy See was unveiled on April 18, 2023. The umbrellino indicates the cathedral's designation as a minor basilica. This is the umbrella that you see. The two cross keys signify its link with the Holy Father and the See of Rome. The See of Rome refers to the Pope and those that are connected with him. Immigrants fleeing Haiti and France established Savannah's first parish, and this was near the end of the 18th century. The congregation has built in several different locations. It's been damaged by hurricanes, fire, and earthquake. The original cathedral is brick. However, in 1896, stucco and whitewash were added to the brick. The spires were also added in 1896. Self-guided tours are available. Check the website for details. in Forsyth Square.
And this is where everybody gets their selfie in front of the fountain. So guess what we're doing?
The same thing, getting the selfie.
Now, after all that walking, what are we thinking about? Probably some good lunch and Southern cooking. But we got so excited, we forgot to take pictures of it.
We just had lunch at the Pirate's House in Savannah, and it was excellent. But I wanted to tell you about a series of books that I read by Hope Callahan. And in the book, they also have the Pirate House restaurant. And Carlita actually marries Pirate Pete from the Pirate House restaurant. The series is called Secrets in Savannah. She has several different series, but I really enjoy Hope Callahan's book, so check it out.
Now we're going to jump on the trolley and see what we can see from HIT. See if they have anything interesting to say.
We have two beautiful art museums here for the 3 people on board who like to go. Big yellow mansion is the Telfair Academy of Arts and Sciences. Some really cool statues out front. Some of the great artists in Western history like Michelangelo, Raphael. No, they're not Ninja Turtles. Those are the real artists there. That art museum back there actually opened up in 1885. You might remember the opening scene of Forrest Gump when the feather floated down right by that steeple over there and landed right in the middle of Forrest Gump's lap, of course, played by Tom Hanks. This house here is a Civil War landmark house. It's called the Green Meldrum House. It was built by an English cotton broker named Charles Green. He built the house here in 1858 when General William Tecumseh Sherman came rolling into Savannah in late December 1864 with his 62,000 Union troops. The city surrendered. The Confederates left. About 10,000 here. They made pontoon bridges across the Savannah River and hauled it out of town up into South Carolina. The city fathers went to meet him and said, "We surrender." And there was no conflict in him coming into Savannah, at least not into the city. Mr. Green let him use the house here on the left as his headquarters while he was here, and on December the 23rd, 1864, Sherman sent a famous telegram in that house to Abraham Lincoln, giving him the city of Savannah as a Christmas present. Ooh, what a stocking stuffer, folks.
The help of General Green. So, they wanted to thank the general. They gave him the mulberry plantation as a gift. This was 8 miles down the Savannah River. And of course, General Green accepted the free plantation, even though he couldn't stand our hot, humid weather in Savannah. And it was one hot summer day when the general decided to go out on a horseback ride. Hot summer day, forgot his hat that day. He also got sunstroke and died that same day. Now he's buried right here in the center of the square. Of course, General Green never wanted to be buried here, they say. And he became very angry over this over the years. So angry, he cursed our beautiful square forever. If you look at the trees, you'll find something missing here. It grows everywhere else.
Oh, small.
This is the largest square in Savannah right here.
There's no Spanish moss.
There's
There's
the
no
burial
balls.
plot of General Green.
We're heading right up here to stop number 9. It's called City Market. It is the old marketplace in Savannah. They've got a lot of neat restaurants over here in this area. We also have some really neat shops for you to pick up some souvenirs. The American Prohibition Museum is up here in City Market.
Looks like he's sampling merchandise on his way to deliver, maybe.
Yeah. Liquor is a curse. Bread, not beer. Boy, he could load this thing up here. Ten ways to drink during Prohibition. Oh, you can make it right on the stove here, babe. Hey, go stand there for a minute.
I read a whole thing about this. I thought it was all repealed.
Yeah, not in Georgia. Well, you know when we do have mocktails.
So make him dance in front of that mirror. Make him dance.
Dance, because see it's up, you can see it. We saw it on a YouTube channel.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So you were prepared.
We were prepared. Yeah. Now the Prohibition Bar is open, but not on Sunday, and we're here on Sunday. Savannah is full of history, great food, beautiful art, and all around just an exciting place to be. So if you like that stuff like we did, you probably would love Savannah. But me and Carol would also love for you to join our channel if you hadn't done it yet. So click that subscribe button, hit that notification button, and till next time, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.